Benny's Sake. I'm your girl Benny, and today I'm bringing you yet another dish because I told you I was gonna be seeing me in the kitchen. Today we're gonna be making yet another salmon power bowl. We've done a salmon power bowl before. Today I'm gonna be bringing you another one. It's gonna be colorful, it's gonna be flavorful, it's gonna be all of the things. But before we get started, please go ahead and make sure that you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload, and also follow me on all these other platforms. I'm on IG, TikTok, Snapchat. That always gets me, but I'm most active on Instagram, and it is Benny's Take on all those platforms. Check me out there. I post a lot of content. We laugh, we eat, we do everything in between. So join the family, okay? for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It is definitely easy for you to make for lunch, dinner, meal prep, and everything in between. So thank you so much again. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.